Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new concept, that is upstream and downstream. Upstream and downstream. Now, what is the meaning of upstream and what is the meaning of downstream? Suppose this is a water and this is your boat. Okay, this is your boat. Now let the speed of a boat be x kilometer per hour and the speed of current be y kilometer per hour. Let the speed of boat be x kilometer per hour and let the speed of stream be y kilometer per hour. Now, case of downstream. Now, downstream means that the boat and the speed of current both are moving in the same direction. So, the net speed, total speed is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay, and upstream. Upstream means boat is going in this direction and the stream is going in this direction. This is upstream and this is downstream. Now upstream means up mane up, from up we can use opposite. And downstream mane along. Now when the upstream is there, then the net speed, the total speed is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. And since the speed of a boat will always be greater than the speed of a stream, also remember, the speed of the boat would be always greater than speed of the stream. That is, x is greater than y. Okay, now let's understand this with the help of an example. Now let's solve one question. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. So, solution. Let the speed of the boat be x kilometer per hour and that of the stream be y kilometer per hour. Now let's consider the first case. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream. So case 1, speed for upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour, and speed for downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. Since time is equal to distance upon speed, so the time is 10 hours and distance traveled in upstream is 30 km. So 30 upon x minus y plus 44 km in downstream, 44 upon x plus y. This is equation 1. And similarly it in 13 hour it can go 40 km upstream, so 13 hour 40 km upstream, so 40 upon x minus y plus 55 km downstream, 55 upon x plus y. Okay students, so let's write both the equations simultaneously. Ten is equal to 30 x minus y plus 44 x plus y, and 13 is equal to 40 x minus y plus 55 x plus y. Okay, so put 1 upon x minus y is equal to a and 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. So the equation becomes 10 is equal to 30a plus 44b, and 13 is equal to 40a plus 55b, or 30a plus 44b minus 10 is equal to 0, 40a plus 55b minus 13 is equal to 0. Now let's solve it by cross multiplication. So a 44 55 minus 10 minus 13, b minus 10 minus 13, 30 40 1 30 40 44 55. Okay, now a upon, so this becomes a upon minus 572 minus 550, b upon minus 400 minus 1 upon 1650 minus 1760. So this is equal to A upon minus 22, B upon minus 10, and 1 upon minus 110. So A is equal to minus 22 upon minus 110. This is equal to 1 upon 5, and B is equal to minus 10 upon minus 110. This is equal to 1 upon 11. Okay, now A is 1 by 5 and B is 1 upon 11. Now put the value of A and B in. Since 1 upon x minus y is equal to A, and this is equal to 1 upon 5, and 1 upon x plus y is equal to B, and this is equal to 1 upon 11. So this implies that x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 11. So this gives us 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8 km per hour. And put the value of x in this equation. Since x minus y is equal to 4, 8 minus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 km per hour. So the speed of boat is equal to 8 km per hour, and speed of a stream is equal to 3 km per hour. Okay students, I think this is clear to you.